everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use your phone's camera as web camera on Google Meet. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. Well, you're gonna need droidcam.client app on your laptop and droidcam app on your phone. You can get those from droidcamapp.com on your laptop and Apple App Store or Google Play Store on your phone. Once you do that, open the droidcam app on your laptop and your phone as well. Well, when it's new, they're gonna ask you for your Wi-Fi IP address and device name. Give the details. Well, I've already done that. Then go to your browser and go to Meet, where, well, you have to tap on that three-dot menu on the bottom. Then go to Settings. Once you go to Settings, you're gonna see Audio, Video, General, Captions and Reactions. Go to Video. Under Video, you're gonna have to tap on that camera and select Droidcam Video. Now go back, open the Droidcam app and select the device. Then you're gonna have to tap on Start on your phone. Now, and guys, you can see now you're using your phone's camera as a Google Meet webcam. Well, you can see like this. There you go. And guys, that's it. That's how you use your phone's camera as a webcam on Google Meet. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.